Okay, so again, good morning everyone. So we will start our discussion for the finals class. So your finals will be on the second week of the February. Okay, so before you set a date for your boyfriend or girlfriend, make sure that you studied the major subject para may answer ka before your date. Okay? Sige, let's proceed with our first topic for this finals. So our topic is about the input and output. Also we are done with this in our laboratory, like we use this input and output, but we never discuss how it convince class and how it uses in our program or in the coding process. Okay, so for our objectives today, first differentiate the input and output, and also appraise the use of Java imports. Create a Java program that will demonstrate the input and output. Okay, so for the Java input class, we have the scanner. So, ano yun si scanner class? So, si scanner is a Java package of the java.util. So, it is a method of a class that enable to read the input or data. So, si scanner class is a package ni java.util, which is method yun siya class for inputting the data or information. Okay, to use the scanner, it should have the class scanner. So, meron siya dapat na scanner sa taas. So, it is being right on the top of your code. Sa pinakataas yun siya. So, before everything else, yun siya class yung codes na ilagay natin. Okay, so import space java.util.scanner asterisk semicolon. So, kailangan memorize nyo to siya on how to codes the Java scanner. Okay, so to have an effective scanner to read on the method body of a computer program, it should have the object scanner. So, kailangan meron siyang object scanner class sa inside of our codes or sa body method natin. Okay, so you identify already kung ano yung method doon class sa coding natin, which is include doon class kay public static void, yung may args and then open braces, and then inside of that, doon yung method natin. So, kailangan doon daw siya i-insert si object. So, ano yung object? So, we use this already. So, scanner scan equals new scanner system.in. So, itong scan na class, itong scan, ito yung variable mo. So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung gamitin ninyo. So, pwede na scanner A equals new scanner. Okay, it will depend on you. So, eto lang ang syntax kay scanner. Okay, so para guide niya lang yun siya. Okay, so the utilized scan will depend on what object name you will use. Again, depende yun sa inyo. So, system.in, meaning yun class is the input stream. So, it means mag-input si user ng letter or characters or a number. Kasi you are asking the user. So, sa system.in, intact yun sa class na yun talaga yung name doon. Okay? Only the scan na word class yung pwede nyong palitan. Okay, for the scanner class method class, we have this one. If you remembered, we use codes class, the int, the doubles, and then we experience also the that next, 'di ba? So ito yun siya yung mga meaning niya. So pag next double yung gamit natin, it means we are using the double sa data type natin. So si next int, so kailangan capital letter class yung first letter class ni data type. So did I next line class if we are asking for the string. Okay? So, for the next naman, so, pwede yun siya. Okay lang to siya for the string. So, you can use this one. Next to short, for the short naman class na data type and so on. So, this is just an example. So, double x equals object name dot next double semicolon. So, doon sa atin, ano yun nalagay natin? So, double or int num1 equals scan dot next double equal open close and semicolon. So later on mag coding ulit tayo if you remember the codes. Okay, so this will be the example of a program class. Okay, so sa taas siya, si import java.util.scanner. Okay, so sa public class mo, ito yun siya yung method natin sa body. Okay, so inside of your public static void main. Okay, so we have the int age. Okay, so meaning we are asking for the age of the user. So si age, ito yun siya class. So since we will ask the user, you don't need to input value. So hindi ka na class mag-input ng input age equals 24 or equals 21 since we will ask the user. Okay? So unlike before, yung una natin na discuss na we inputted or tayo na mismo naglagay ng value. Okay? Then next, system.out.println since enter age kasi we are asking for that, and then scanner A. So if you notice, A yung gamit natin, hindi scan. So okay lang yun sa class kasi again, this is your variable, so it will depend on you. So scanner A equals new scanner system.in. Okay, so if you notice also yung codes natin class naka-color. Okay, that means kung naka-green yan siya class, tama yun siya. Okay, and then that is part of the Java codes. Kapag nag-red yan siya class, that means mali yan. So next, A is your variable, so you can use any words. Just make sure of the invalid variables discussed from the preview. So make sure yung mga invalid hindi nyo gamitin para hindi kayo mag-error. And age equals A dot next int. Since we use int class in our data type, so next int yung gamit natin. So next int, it is used if you are using integer. Okay, so A pa din dito class. Why? It because we set up class in our object na A yung scanner natin. So dapat sa baba naka A pa din yun siya. Then si age, ito yun siya sa taas. So kung paano gisulat class yung sa taas, yun dapat ang sa baba. So kapag caps lock si A dito, so dapat caps lock din si A sa baba. Okay ba? So system.out.println your age is plus age. So ano yung output niya? Anyone from the group?
System
Hello.
A
Ano yung output?
system that this is invalid.
Depende sa anong git type sa
Ano?
System that your
kung
age.
ilang type, ma'am.
Okay, so may nag-answer dyan ng system.out.print. So, class kapag output yan, hindi na yan kasali sa system.out.print.
Oo, ma'am.
Okay? Codes kasi yan siya. So, that means yung output natin is enter age and then depende kay user kung ilan yung age na i-input niya. Tama? So, for
Oo,
example,
ma'am.
enter age 20. So, your age is 20. Yun ang magiging output niya, class. Kuha ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Uh,
next.
Oo, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the example class kapag na-type natin yung dot next. Okay? So maglabas yung mga suggestion niya. So you really don't need class to encode everything. Halimbawa, next int yung gamit mo. So hanapin mo lang dito si integer para hindi ka na mag-error. Okay, so if you notice every time you encode the word next, the following will display. So you can choose any of them to minimize errors, okay? Kasi may suggestion naman siya. So, hindi ka na wrong spelling or magkamali ng pag-caps lock. So, halimbawa, yung next double mo is ang D niya small letter. So, mag-error yun siya, class. So, that is very case sensitive na ginatawag sa programming language. That is why every time that you encoded or you are using your codes, just make sure that you are following the rules of the programming language na you are using. For example, the Java. So make sure na tama yun siya and you follow the structure. Okay, so for the output naman class, it is known as display screen. So again, si output, ano yung lalabas sa screen mo? Okay, so an output statement that will use to send the standard output devices. So ano yung output? So system that out that print hello and then system that out that print ln hello. So anong output niya class?
Ma'am, dalawang hilay, ma'am.
Hello. Hello.
Hello,
Okay,
ma'am.
Hello.
dalawang hello. So tama. Okay, so you will notice that the output is inside the open and close parentheses. So, ano yun siya class inside of the open and close parentheses. And it uses the system that out that print. Okay, a method display an output and insertion point in the current line. Okay, so ito yun siya. System that out. So make sure na you will check what is the transaction class of every programs or codes na makita ninyo. So halimbawa sa exam natin, give the output. So make sure na you read the codes class and you understand. Halimbawa, nag-base ka lang doon sa system that out. So sometimes hindi din. Kasi halimbawa, may mga transaction doon na nag-plus pala siya or nagkaroon ng transaction ng multiplication, division. So, system that out that print ln, so that is the next line. Okay ba? Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
let's proceed to our coding. So, i-run natin to siya class, yung codes dito sa NetBeans natin. So, run ko lang si NetBeans. While I'm, class, fixing the Java NetBeans, pwede nyo isulat sa papel ninyo or sa notebook ninyo yung codes natin today para meron kayong guide.
Tapos na sulat.
Okay. So far, ano yung hindi pa naintindihan ng mga codes?
Codes.
If you're going to pursue class being an IT student, so make sure to love the coding. Okay? So, kailangan i-love nyo class si coding, si Java programming language, and any languages.
Ano lang, ma'am.
Ano?
May sa ako na bigyan ano ang daw gaano uto ko ba kung di nga codes akong yambal sa imo, di nga codes ang gina-discuss mo.
Nga man.
Nang daw anong bitaw mo nang sobraan ka advance ang uto kong galibog ko diin nga codes kay nagsagol di ba ang ano ko ang natun-an ko dati sa eskwelahan ko nga nagmix ang Java sa C++ kag C# kag nagmix tanan abi ma'am. Di daw di ko na siya memorize gid.
So, you have to review.
Is ma'am na siyang murga mamati na lang gani ko subong kay duga sala utok ko di nang ano gid ba.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, we will discuss about the conditional statement class. What is conditional statement? So for example, what if yung age is greater than 30? May maglabas na condition. So for example, you're old enough or pwede na i-message na pwede ka nang lumabas or get your CCTS ID. Yung mga ganun. So, conditional statement yan siya. Okay, so i-cancel ko na tong share screen, then i-share ko na class si Java
Wait
NetBeans.
lang, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am,
Ay,
wait
di ka pa
lang.
tapos.
Ma'am.
Ah, sige, sige. Nandyan pa ba? Wait lang.
Pwede na.
Okay. Ayan na, share ko na ba? Di ka pa tapos mag-copy?
Wala
Search
pa,
kanya
ma'am.
lang.
Okay, sige, copy. Copy niyo muna. If you're done, then please let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so maybe yung mga nagasulat, so replay nyo na lang mamaya yung recording. So let's proceed na class sa coding session. Kailang ba? So i-replay nyo na lang mamaya yung recording. I-send ko naman din yung recording sa inyo para ma-replay ninyo. Okay, nandiyan na ba sa Java NetBeans?
Oo,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, sige. Let's recall class how or what are the steps on to create the lab 03. Ano yung una natin gawin?
New file.
Okay, file, new project, and
Job.
Select Java,
Ano
ma'am.
ko?
okay, so select Java, na-select na yan. So next na natin. And then, project name is lab 03.
Three.
Okay, so finish lang natin. Okay, so andito na tayo class. So saan natin ilagay si import?
Sa bago ang public class.
Okay, bago ang public class. Okay, ano yung codes natin? Import.
Space Java.util scanner.
Get util scanners, semicolons.
Kag, oh,
Okay, so java.util.scanner.asterisk semicolon. So next. So delete lang natin yung comment. Delete nyo lang yan kasi walang use yan. Okay. So dito na tayo, mag-encode na tayo. So ano yung unahin natin? So ano tayo ng
class.
data type.
Ay, dito type. Okay.
Ano yung data type natin?
Public static void means string age, then int age.
Public class. Ang
Okay, so
scanner,
yung
Public
data type natin is int, di ba yun? So hindi
ay
pwede class na mag-double si age kasi si age is all number. Tama ba? Okay, so int age lang tayo. Okay. The next one, ano yung codes natin?
system.out.
system.out in enter age, then open and close that.
Okay. So this time, we will ask na the user. So i-ask na natin siya sang age. So system.out.println, then enter your, mali. Double quote. Double quote dapat yan siya klasa. So para hindi kayo magkamali. Enter your age. Okay. then semicolon. Then, next, ano yung gawin natin? I-ask,
Ano na siya na ma'am?
okay, so we will call the java.util na object. So, paano yon? Scanner,
A
okay, new,
equals
New
new
scanner.
scanner.
okay,
Open ang
so,
close.
yung scanner natin is, big letter yung S. System dot in and semicolon. Okay.
Ma'am, okay lang ba ma'am nga just sa scanner ma'am like scanner input equals new
Ano yon?
yan sa scanner ma'am ba ang instead nga scanner A equals new scanner dot system dot in i-change siya sa ano ma'am scanner input equals new then scanner system dot in.
Okay. So, another process naman yun siya.
Okay.
Okay. Okay lang man din yun siya. Pero, ito lang muna yung process natin para mas madali sa lahat. Okay. So, next, we will call the object. Ano yung object natin? Yung age. So,
Age
age equals,
A dot text
Equals
and
okay.
next and
So, i-call natin si scanner which is si A. Then, next, okay,
equal
int. So, yan.
integer. Integer.
Then, next is,
Yung
system that out.
your age is plus then age.
Your age is, then, con concat natin yung age.
Yun.
Okay, so may mali dito na side. What do you think, class, yung mali?
Sa ano big letter dapat yata ang ay scanner yung
Big letter na yung S natin.
semicolon. Ay ba? Ay,
Meron na
hindi.
tayong semicolon.
Ang ano ang A ang A ay hindi siyang A yat. Oh lagi ay hindi.
kailangan ba na
Sa dob ay hindi.
siguro sa ano ma'am sa small letter ano scanner
Simple letter
ma'am?
yata yung scan.
Small letter. Sige, lagay natin small ha. Okay.
Wait lang.
Yan. Small
Kumaklaro.
letter yung gusto ninyo. Yan.
Hindi gyapon siya.
Hindi
Wait. Ang equals gina siya di di na makita. Wa man nagkulay ang ano semicolon age. Ara naman ang ano. Kung big letter ang
Okay, big letter ang S. Sige.
nga isa tapos ara naman ang new tapos ano? Wait lang. Ay, wait lang ma'am sa scanner mo ay sa may ano lagi na siya sa ibaba ma'am o sa input java.util.scanner may like ano tawag sinang may gibutangan mo sa multiplication sign.
Okay, sige, kunin natin. Okay. Ano pa? Ano pa yung mali?
May pula mo, i-try daw sa big letter ng may pula mo.
Okay. Sige,
Scanner.
big letter natin. Okay, very good. So, every time class na may error kayo, focus lang kayo doon class kung saan yung logic ang syntax error natin. So, when we talk about syntax error, 'di ba, yung may mga suggestion siya. If you notice kanina, ito, 'yan. 'Di ba, mag-red yun siya dito class. So, you can click this one. Click niyo yan siya. Then, eto, basahin niyo kung ano yung error ninyo. Then, doon lang kayo mag-focus. Yung iba kanina, nag-check pa dito sa int age. Okay? Wala namang mali dito, di ba? So, kung saan yung may mali class, doon kayo mag-focus. Okay ba? Para madali ninyo ma-fix yung errors. Okay. So, very good. Okay, so this time we will check if running na siya. Okay, hintay-hintay lang pag may time. Okay, so enter your age.
Age.
Ano yung age na ilagay natin?
23.
Okay, 23. Then enter. So your age is 23.
So,
Okay, so pwede din tayo class mag-space dito, then lagyan ng yung dalawang tuldok, ano tawag niyan? Para
colon.
mas, yes, the colon. So para mas
Semicolon.
maganda siya. Okay, so your age is 23. So medyo okay na siya tingnan. Okay, kasi nagkaroon na ng space. Okay, so naintindihan ba what is the function of the java.util and
Yes,
also the
ma'am.
scan? Okay. So do not forget and please memorize. So import java.util.scanner semicolon and then scanner then object anything class equals new scanner system dot in semicolon. So very easy, madali lang class i-memorize.
Import java.com util .turner.
Okay, nakuha. So, pag nag-fix ng error, mag-focus doon class kung ano lang ang error para hindi tayo malito and then hindi siya ma-running out of time tayo sa laboratory if in case that we are having the face-to-face. So, halimbawa, until 9 a.m. lang and then nag-focus ka pa sa iba class ng mga bagay-bagay. So, hindi mo yan siya ma-fix within that time. Okay? So, again, what you really need is focus. Okay? So if you want this course or you are going to pursue this one, so focus yourself class to study in coding. Okay? So of course you have to make sure also na you are after this session, gina-review nyo class yung discussion natin. So hindi na during the discussion lang nag-aandar yung brain mo sa coding. Okay? So make sure also that you are doing your part na mag-review. Okay, para mas maintindihan mo and mas ma-memorize mo yung coding process. Okay ba? Naintindihan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tomorrow we will have another session class about the conditional statement. So
So,
medyo mahaba-haba tomorrow class. So be on time, 7:30 pa din tayo. So mas madami yung discussion tomorrow about the conditional statement. Okay? And then, of course, we are running out of time also for the finals. Kailangan ma-discuss ko to siya lahat, class, para next time, so hopefully that we can have the face-to-face na. So, mas makaano na kayo sa laboratory. So, mas ma-assess ko na kayo if you are learning. Okay? Of course, hopefully that you are doing your part, class. Okay? So, mag-study kayo.
Advance na lang kami sa conditional statement namin.
Ang grade down.
Okay, like for example, sa conditional, halimbawa 73 yung grade niya, so yung ma-display dapat failed. Okay, so what if 90? So yung ma-display is pass. Yung mga ganong mga statement. Okay, so
Like,
tomorrow
it's
yan siya.
greater than
Okay, so we will use the other relational operators, the ano pa yun ng mga operators doon. So tomorrow yan siya. Okay, no more questions, I think.
Sige.
Meron pa ba?
ay ma'am. Ma'am, ano galing nga
Yes.
klaseng ano ni ma'am? Java?
Ano?
Damit ni ma'am.
NetBeans.
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 We are using
NetBeans.
Java NetBeans.
Java NetBeans.
Okay, so I think no more questions this time, class. So hopefully na mag-study kayo and also do your part, okay? So see you tomorrow and stay safe everyone. God bless.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
sige.
ma'am. Last lang ko, ma'am.
Ano 'yon?
Doon sa, ma'am, sa exam 1 mo, ma'am. Nakaimo
Mhm.
man kami ito sa galing, ma'am, ng nabtan time. Tapos, dugay pa yun mag-send ng yung ginimo naman nga code. Kaya mo to, ma'am, may na-send. Nasta na abtan ng time na hinabi signal.
So hindi niyo gi-PM sa Microsoft Teams.
Wala, ma'am.
Okay, so i-adjust ko lang mamaya ang time so para ma-send ninyo.
Okay, ma'am.
Sige. Okay, so thank you everyone. You can leave na. See you
Okay.
tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.